This tutorial is going to go over how to create accessible web pages using the built-in HTML editor with D2L Brightspace. I'm actually starting in the content for week 1. So as you can see, I have went to content on that upper bar, and then from my table of contents chosen week 1. So once you go down, you'll notice that I do have my start and my end dates, but at the bottom I have my information that has all my content. So as you can see, I have some wording, I have a picture also at the bottom, and if I wanted to check it and use D2L's HTML editor, I would just go down to these bars, and you see the one that I have right now is the HTML source editor. After clicking on this, it does have word wrap. It gives me all of the things needed. And if that's all good, I can push save. The other nice component to this is also an accessibility checker, where you can check this. There's none with this one, but if there was some colors that might be hard to visualize or something like that, it would let me know for me to correct it. But once I've done all of those things, I would simply just update.